Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Veronite water-based lubricant gel. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically a lubricant for activities in the bedroom. So this is an adult tool used in the bedroom for pleasure. So basically you just put this on your thing and then it will act as a lubricant for easier access, if you know what I mean. So as you can see, this is what it looks like right here on Amazon, and see that they're rated 4.0 out of 5 stars with 53 ratings. So let's scroll down here to see the reviews. So as you can see, nice product, very expensive per ml, but you can tell it's much higher quality than conventional brands. Worth it if you're a luxury experience. Very good, very happy. It's not bad, bit dear though. So this lube is perfectly usable but not exactly remarkable. Typical viscosity in most lubes, and this person rated 3 stars. Easy to clean up with water. Smells lush but is quite sticky. Average, not the best. 1 star. Probably one of the better budget lubricants. So, I don't know what else to say. This is just an average lubricant. So, however, I would note that it is quite expensive for the price, since there are other cheaper alternatives out there which have the same effect. But if you want a good smelling one, this is the way to go. So that's basically it, guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.